Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Sunday, January 23rd. This is the week 42 update to the TFSA portfolio. Thanks for coming back, and if you're new here, thanks for checking this out. This is where we do a weekly update on the TFSA portfolio with Wealthsimple Trade, see how the markets are trending, what dividends have come in, and which positions I've bought. So stick around and let's go. Yeah, if you click the link in the description below, you and I will both get the dollar equivalent of 2 free stocks for signing up. And it's so if you don't use Wealthsimple Trade yet, it's a great way to get started in investing and get a bit of free cash as well just for signing up. So certainly take advantage of that, and let's check out the portfolio. Yeah, so overall it's been a pretty rough week this past week. I think I heard that it was the lowest week since, the biggest drop in the week since March of 2020. So not so great when you look at the the major indices. The S&P TSX was down 2%, 2.07% on Friday. The S&P 500 of the US was down 1.89%, and the Dow was down 1.3%. NASDAQ isn't showing here, but I think it was off over 2% as well. 2.72% the NASDAQ was down. So overall Friday was a pretty rough week, as we can see here. Overall Friday was a rough day. So the TFSA was down $1,006 or 1%. The week started off all right on Monday. It had a good day, but then the rest of the week it just kind of tanked, and we can see we were off $2,726 or about 4%. So not so great, but also makes for a good time to be buying if you've got a bit of stuff, money sitting in cash. So for the last month we're down $1,424. In the last 3 months we're up $363. And all time, we're still up $9,342.67 or 15%. So in the long run, still doing all right. Yeah, so we had Smart Centers pay a dividend on last Monday, $28.83. I took that with a bit of extra cash that I had sitting around and bought another share of Smart Centers and another share of EIT. And then I also had a bit more left, so I bought another share of Smart Centers on Tuesday. So that's what happened this past week. That was the last dividend for January. So we've got another week or so another 2 weeks maybe until February's dividends start coming. But we can see we ended January at $430.08 in dividends. A little off from the previous months, but that was because, again, I took a big withdrawal back in November to fund the RESP, so that's why. But we're still, $430 a month in dividends is nothing to cry about. So it's doing pretty well still. So overall, everything is still doing pretty well. Got everything in the green here: DFN, EIT, HHL is up $400. Smart Centers is still up $450. TXF took a bit of a hit, but they're still up $170. ZWC is up $644, 9%. ZWK $730, 10.28%. ZWS, and even the utilities one is still in the green, $119 up, 1.6%. So overall, like I said, it was a rough week, but hopefully it was short-lived and we can get back on the good side. But over the long run, which is what we have to look at, it's still really good. So again, we can see in here total stock value $72,746. Since the start, it's kind of interesting. Since the start, I've received $4,591.45 in dividends. total gain of 9,313. So of that 9,313, almost 4,600 of it is in dividends, which is the total gain of 14.68% and an average yield of 7.78%, which is a monthly income of about $471. And that's that's increasing all the time whenever I buy more shares of whatever I'm buying that day. So if you like this content, please subscribe. I know that not everybody that's watching is a subscriber, so it would be great if a few of you guys could subscribe and help us out. Give us a thumbs up and leave some comments below, and we'll chat again next week. Cheers.